If I wanted to add just a text block, I click on the plus sign. I can go up here to text block, or I can search for text and have a text block, just a basic text block up here. So here we go. I clicked and selected a text block, and it initially just populates it with lorem ipsum. Fill in whatever text you need here. This is very important. If you are copying and pasting in text from another source, especially from another website or another document like email or Microsoft Word, when you add text to your page, when you're pasting it in there, see these tabs over here, visual and text? Make sure you paste it in on the text. This will only copy in the literal text from the email or the Word file or the website you took it from. If you paste it in visual, it might bring in other styles with it, including other fonts or colors for the fonts that are not GSU approved, and they could break your page. So when you're pasting in text, always select the text tab, paste it in, and then you can go back to visual. And once it's in visual, you can add, links to certain parts of your text, or you can bold anything or italicize it or bullet point it. All these options are here for you to use, and they're easier to use in the visual tab. But if you're pasting it in, use the text tab. Very important. All right, a few things I want to cover real quickly. We just add a text block here. When you, on any single page out there, when you first refer to the university, you need to refer to them in the fullness of the name. Georgia State University. After that first instance, you can then refer to them as Georgia State, GSU, or the university. Remember, the university is not a proper noun, so it's all lowercase. But the first instance on any page has to be Georgia State University. Telephone numbers. We type our telephone numbers out like this. Area code dash first 3 digits dash last 3 digits. No spaces, no parentheses. And we need to make sure that all telephone numbers are clickable so that people on mobile devices, when they see a telephone number, they can just press the number and it will automatically dial for them. The way we do that, highlight the telephone number that you're going to make a link, copy that number, and then go up here to insert edit link, type in TEL : and put in the number. You don't even have to delete the dashes. It'll still make that a telephone number and dial it for the user. Let me see here. We, as a university, hate Oxford commas. In my personal writing, I use Oxford commas all the time. It's just how I was taught. But at the university, this is a no-no. So make sure you remove all Oxford commas. And that goes for, and, or, you know what Oxford commas are. If you have access to Grammarly, we highly recommend you use it in the editing of your pages, or in my case, the submission of calendar events or review of calendar events. Grammarly will catch all the little nitpicky things, grammar, punctuation, spelling that you might have missed. I miss quite a bit in my haste trying to get things up, and I am forever grateful for my usage of Grammarly.